we will present the minor awards.
For Miss Photogenic,
Miss Photogenic is candidate number 12, Urilinda Tamir. Congratulations, Urilinda.
okay, for our Miss Friendship, the Miss Friendship goes to candidate number 3, Miss Justin Sabatan.
Okay, now we have the winner for Darling of the Crowd.
That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. Feeling
Darling of the Crowd is candidate number 11, Maria Dayan Bar.
Congratulations, Diana. Are we ready now with the results of Best in Gown? Judges?
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the winner for the Best in Evening Gown goes to candidate number 15, Miss Eva Estrada.
But before we move on, tatawagin po natin sila isa-isa. One by one, we will call our top 10 so we can have a little pep talk with them.
Okay.
Hermie?
Candidate number 5 will please choose one question.
Tawagin natin sa harap. Candidate number 5, in front please. Para mas...
Okay.
Ito, bubunot sila ng mga prepared questions dito. Wala kasing lamesa.
Michael did not prepare the table.
Ayan, bunot ka. Candidate number 5.
Candidate number 5, are you nervous? Yeah. Okay, your question is, what are your goals in life?
My goal in life is to be a good person, so that because good person, you can be means marunong makisama sa lahat ng tao. That's it.
Thank you so much, candidate number 5.
Number 5. May I
Next,
call candidate number 9? Number 6.
Candidate number
sorry.
6, Hermie.
Number 6, I'm sorry.
Okay? Dito ka sa harap, Tara. Ibigay mo sa akin? Candidate number 5, your question is, why did you decide to join the Miss Philippines Israel 2011?
I joined the Miss Philippines Israel 2011 to prove myself if I have confidence or to prove myself if I have confidence or thank you.
Thank you.
So
I think she wants to tell to everybody she joined so she can prove that she can make it. Ayun, ganun.
Okay.
Tawagin natin.
Candidate
Next is candidate number 2. Candidate number 2. Pakibigay ka, Hermie.
Okay, candidate number 2, are you ready? Your question is, why do you think we should choose you as one of the final candidates?
Thank you very much for that wonderful question. So I guess I'm deserving to be one of the even the top 5 because I believe that I have the talent, I have this confidence, I have this behavior that I believe that a model should have. So like I believe that being a Miss Philippines Israel should be smart, brave, talented, and very confident. Thank you.
Well said, candidate number 2. Yung isa, the other one just to prove. The candidate number 2, proven na niya. Sigurado na raw siya. Okay, thank you so much. Next is candidate number 10. Candidate number 10, choose your question.
Give to
Sa akin,
Esther,
sa akin.
please.
What is your favorite color? Hindi yan. No, this is not a question. Sorry. Candidate number 10, this is your question, so listen. Who is the most important person in your life and why? Okay?
Hello, good evening to all of you. Thank you, sir. Important to me because my family, of course. and especially our father and my mother, because I'm here. I want to prove them that I'm one of the smarter and beautiful in this competition. I thank you.
Thank you so much. Of course, family.
Family.
Siyempre,
I think she
dahil
wanted to stay together.
without our family, we're not here.
Of course.
Kung wala sa tatay at nanay mo na hindi ka in-imagine, wala tayo.
Wala ang nanay na nagbigay sa kanya ng buhay, wala din. Okay, may I call in candidate number 11?
Candidate number 11, pick your question, please.
Dayan.
Ang dami mo ng awards. So, as we can see,
Patong-patong
number
na.
11 bagged a couple of awards tonight.
Okay,
Is this a question?
Dayan, are you ready? If you had to choose to be beautiful or intelligent, which would you choose?
Thank you very much for the question. My answer would be I would choose to be smart or intelligent, because I believe that everybody in this earth or everybody in this crowd can be beautiful, but being smart is something that you should be proud of, because of being intelligent, it means that so being intelligent, it means that you've earned a degree, or you've earned being intelligent, I think would be being beautiful. We are all beautiful in our own ways, but being smart is something that I can be proud of, that I can prove to everyone that I am not just beautiful, I am also smart. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, candidate number 11.
Thank you so much, candidate number 11.
If I will be asked kung smart or beautiful, wala akong pipiliin.
Bakit?
I would rather choose globe. Mas malakas ang signal ng globe kaysa sa smart. Kaya napakahirap kaya nun It's a very hard question because in the Philippines, mas malakas yata yung signal ng globe kaysa sa smart. Kaya nahirapan siya Okay, may we call on our next candidate? Candidate number 7. Pick your question, please. Candidate number 7, this is your question. Give 3 words that describes you.
Wow, thanks for that wonderful question. The 3 words that can describe me are, I am unique, I am imperfect, but I believe that I am a miracle.
Well said.
Very well said, candidate number 7.
Miracle talaga. Everybody's miracle.
And now may I call in candidate number 12?
Candidate number 12, here's your question. In the fishbowl. Give it to her, please.
Jurelinda, why should we select you as our title holder?
Good evening, everybody. I believe that you should select me as the Miss Philippines 2011 title holder because I believe that I have all of the abilities Miss Philippines, and I will continue pursuing and continuing to join all the activities that our Filipino community does here in Israel. Thank you.
And of course, dapat lang.